Assalamualaikum and hi guys! In this video, I'll share with you on how to build a Raspberry Pi mobile robot with Maker Drive. The hardware needed are Raspberry Pi 0WH, Maker Head, Maker Drive, Aluminium 2WD TT robot, PCB stand and jumper wire. You can refer to Raspberry Pi mobile robot with Maker Drive tutorial for more info. Please make sure to watch this Getting Started with Maker Drive and Raspberry Pi video for the hardware connection and connect the 5V output from Maker Drive to the 5V Raspberry Pi. We will use Blynk App to control the mobile robot. Open the Blynk App and create a new project. Write the project name and choose Raspberry Pi 3B for the hardware. Then, tap on Create Project. We will use the auth token for programming later. Next, add a joystick. Tap on it for setup. Set the output to merge and the pin to V0. Now, let's proceed with the programming part. Please make sure that you are using the latest and updated Raspbian OS. Open the terminal and write the command to run the Pi GPIO daemon. Then, open Python 2 and use the sample code that we have shared in our tutorial. Next, run the module. Now you can play with the Raspberry Pi mobile robot. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.